Hey there, future economists. Welcome to a journey where we unravel the mysteries of money, choices, and the world around us. Have you ever wondered how prices are set? Why does a simple cup of coffee cost a few dollars, while a fancy dinner can set you back 100? Or why some things cost more than others? That's economics in action. It's the invisible hand guiding our daily decisions. Economics is the study of how people use limited resources to satisfy their unlimited wants. It's about understanding scarcity and making the best possible choices. It's about making choices just like deciding whether to buy a slice of pizza or a new video game. Every decision has an opportunity cost, which is the value of the next best alternative you give up. Understanding economics can help you make smarter decisions with your money, whether it's budgeting for a new gadget or saving for college. It can also help you become a more informed citizen, able to understand and discuss economic policies and their impact on society. And let's not forget, it can even impress your friends with your knowledge. Imagine being the go-to person for financial advice in your circle. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of economics together. From supply and demand to market structures, from personal finance to global trade, there's so much to learn and discover. Get ready to see the world through the lens of an economist and make better choices every day. Imagine your favorite pizzeria. It's a place you visit often, where the aroma of freshly baked pizza fills the air and the sight of bubbling cheese makes your mouth water. They have a limited supply of pizza each day. This means they can only make a certain number of pizzas before they run out of ingredients or oven space. Now picture a long line of hungry customers, all demanding a slice. That's demand. When more people want pizza than there are pizzas available, the demand is high. The price of pizza is determined by the interaction of supply and demand. This is a fundamental concept in economics. The point where the supply and demand curves intersect is known as the equilibrium price. If there's a high demand for pizza but a limited supply, the price will go up. This is because people are willing to pay more to get their hands on a slice, knowing that there aren't enough pizzas for everyone. On the other hand, if there's a surplus of pizza and not enough customers, the price might drop to entice people to buy more. The pizzeria might offer discounts or special deals to clear out their inventory. This delicate dance between supply and demand is happening all around us, in every market and for every product. Businesses constantly adjust their prices based on how much of a product they have and how much people want it. This dynamic influences the prices of everything from gasoline to concert tickets. When there's a big concert in town and everyone wants to go, ticket prices soar. Similarly, when there's a shortage of gasoline, prices at the pump increase. Understanding this dance helps us make sense of the ever-changing prices we encounter in our daily lives. Have you noticed that things cost more now than a few years ago? Your grocery bill is higher and the same items have heftier price tags. It's not just your imagination, that's inflation. It's a general increase in prices over time, making the cost of living go up and the value of money go down. If a slice of pizza cost $2 last year and now costs $2.50, that's inflation. Over time, your money buys less. To protect yourself, budget wisely and track expenses. Investing in appreciating assets like stocks or real estate can also help. Stay informed about economic trends and seek advice from financial experts. Your future self will thank you. How do economists measure the size and health of an entire economy? One important tool is Gross Domestic Product, or GDP. GDP is the total value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders in a given period, usually a year. It's like a giant measuring stick for the economy. A growing GDP generally indicates a healthy economy with more jobs and opportunities. Conversely, a shrinking GDP can signal an economic downturn. While GDP is not a perfect measure, it provides valuable insights into the overall performance of an economy. Economics isn't just something you study in a textbook, it's all around you. Every time you go to the store, choose between two products, or decide how much money to save, you're making economic decisions. Understanding basic economic principles can help you make more informed choices in your daily life. For example, knowing about supply and demand can help you snag a great deal on a new phone or find the best time to buy airline tickets. Economics provides you with a set of tools for analyzing costs and benefits, understanding incentives, and making rational decisions. By considering the opportunity cost, what you give up when you choose one option over another, you can make choices that align with your goals. Whether you're deciding on a career path, managing your personal finances, or simply choosing how to spend your weekend, economics can empower you to make smarter decisions. Section 7. The power of knowing economics. In today's interconnected world, understanding economics is more important than ever. From global trade to technological advancements, economic forces shape our lives in countless ways. By grasping basic economic concepts, you can become a more informed citizen, participate in meaningful discussions about public policy, and make a positive impact on the world around you. Section 8. Economics for a better future. Economics can also be a powerful tool for addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as poverty, inequality, and climate change. By studying how economic systems work, we can develop innovative solutions to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Section 9. Don't be afraid of economics. Economics may seem intimidating at first, but it's a fascinating and rewarding subject to learn about. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started, from online courses to engaging books and podcasts. Don't be afraid to ask questions, explore different economic perspectives, and challenge yourself to think critically about the world around you. Section 10. Keep exploring the world of economics. Congratulations on taking the first step towards understanding the basics of economics. Remember, economics is a journey of lifelong learning. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions about the world around you. You might just surprise yourself with how much you enjoy unraveling the mysteries of economics.